into a world brand new. Skies wide with open truth. Footprints fade behind your stride, calling you to cross the tide. Fields unmarked and bright ahead, whispers of what's still unsaid. Every turn a chance to grow, every breath a place to go. Walk the path beyond the map, where new dreams arise, and don't look back. Courage guides you into light, new lands open when you try. Let the old roads fall away. You are built for this new day. Untold stories wait to start. Brave beginnings shape the heart. Hopes unfold in shifting sand as you claim this promised land. Every risk becomes a key, unlocking possibility. Walk the path beyond the map, where new dreams arise, and don't look back. Courage guides you into light, new lands open when you try. Every step becomes a doorway.